What's going on, everybody? Donnie Weberg here again. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. Again, today we're going to be discussing the air intake and the mufflers on my 2023 Rogue Glide 3. As I've stated in other videos, it's kind of hard to figure out what's working with this model because all the accessory vendors really haven't updated anything, and quite honestly, they can't get their hands on this to figure out what's working and what's not working. So again, thanks for checking in with me. I'll kind of discuss some of those things. Anyway, as far as the air intake goes, I found this on Amazon. It's basically a Roland Sands knockoff. The quality and the metalwork and everything, it's literally almost identical to a Roland Sands. I'm thinking that it's probably the company that makes it for Roland Sands, and these got kicked out some, I don't know, R&D, whatever, or somebody just got their hands on them and went ahead and sold them. I got this air intake for under $200. You buy a Harley Davidson one, Vance & Hines, SS, just a multitude of different companies. You'll spend anywhere between $400 and $600, and I've even seen some high flow air intakes that are running $700, $800. So under $200. It's a reusable, washable filter that goes on it. So I'll be putting that on there. Actually, I think it's going to look absolutely awesome. And then the piece de resistance, Tab Performance 4-inch BAM sticks. All right, again, going with black, I got the slash cut. I love the way that this is all formed and everything. It's got Tab is engraved into the metal before they actually did the powder coating. This is really going to look nice coming out of the back of the trike. And also what I bought from Tab Performance is the Z-Ring. This is an insert that goes into the end tip of the muffler. This is more for looks than anything. On some of their other models, you can actually put a torque cone in there, and they have shown that they've got increased torque because of creating that back pressure in the system. So not really ready to go that route yet, but no, I'm pretty excited for this one today. It's going to be beautifully obnoxious. The one thing that you want to make sure that you're doing is you'll put blue Loctite on these 3 bolts going into the intake, and then these you do not put any Loctite on. These are the breather bolts that are coming from the oil. So you just got to make sure that these get Loctited. These do not. This air intake turned out absolutely awesome. It's got a pretty badass look to it. To go along with the badass mufflers. Yeah, BAM sticks, they're up next. Dude, I really like that. All right, guys, I got something to show you here real quick. As far as putting the exhaust on, as everybody that's got a freewheeler or a Rogue Glide 3 now, or you're waiting for that freewheeler in Rogue Glide 3, I'm gonna give you a little heads up advice. There's 4 bolts on the bottom of the trunk. There's 1 on each side right at the top of the trunk. Take those 6 bolts out. You can get up underneath the body, and there's a chassis cross member. What I did is lift the body up, and then you can put a wedge between the underside of the trunk and that bar that goes across the chassis. That will give you enough space to be able to get in there and get to those bolts for those muffler hanger bolts, because it is tight. I feel sorry for the Harley technicians that have to do that shit. But anyway, take those 6 bolts out, lift that chassis up. It's real simple. I mean, when I'm lifting the body up, it's hinging on 2 other bolts that are on each side of the body, up underneath the seat. It tilts up. It's like probably lifting 50 pounds. But you can get it up there, get a wedge under there, and that gives you all the room that you need to be able to get those muffler hangers all installed, everything spaced out, and you'll be good to go.
heck of a lot better than those crushers. This is about 2,000 RPM. Down the road from the country club. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Love the sound. As far as the air intake goes, a little bit better throttle response from that, but being able to hear that beautiful angry sound when you're sitting next to it, completely different than being on the video. So yeah, this is nuts. All right, here it is. Got those tab performance slash tip. Sorry about that. Got the little zombie add-ons in there. Hold on one second here. Cleaner. Everything's going great with that. Not a problem. Love the way that looks. Absolutely love it. All right, Tab Performance, you guys kicked ass again. Absolutely love it. My Road Glide 3 is coming along. Absolutely awesome. That's just crazy. Stupid crazy. Be seen, be heard. All right, thanks for checking out my YouTube video again. Please like, subscribe, share, ring the bell if you want notifications. Next up, I'm not really sure where I'm going with it. Oh yeah, handlebars. I got the 14-inch LA Chopter Hefty High Peaks. I think that's what they're called. Be putting those on. Yeah, so that's the next project. But I don't know. What do you guys think? This is pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Give more. Peace.